Let's talk about one of the most underrated superheroes in your fridge, broccoli. Yep, that little green tree you might have pushed to the side of your plate as a kid. Turns out it's a nutritional powerhouse, and today we're breaking down why it deserves a front row seat in your meals. Broccoli isn't just a filler vegetable, it's loaded with essential nutrients that your body loves. We're talking vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, iron, potassium, and fiber. Let's spotlight a few of those. Vitamin K is crucial for blood clotting and bone health. Just 1 cup of broccoli can give you over 100% of your daily needs. Fiber, yes, it helps digestion, but it also feeds your gut microbiome, encouraging the growth of beneficial bacteria. Better gut health means better overall wellness. Sulforaphane is this powerful compound that's shown promise in supporting heart health, reducing inflammation, and even offering anti-cancer potential. But here's a quick tip: cooking affects sulforaphane. Light steaming, about 3 to 4 minutes, is best to preserve it. High heat methods like boiling or microwaving can reduce its levels. So, gentle cooking for the win. So, how do you actually cook broccoli so it's not sad, soggy, or bland? Let's make this easy. Steam it. This preserves nutrients like sulforaphane and keeps it crisp and vibrant. Roast it, just toss in olive oil, salt, and pepper, then roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. It gets crispy, caramelized, and just a little bit nutty. Sauté it for a quick and tasty option. Add garlic, a splash of soy sauce, and some sesame oil for a flavor-packed side. Or blend it into creamy soups or even smoothies. Sounds a little weird, but honestly, it tastes great. When you're shopping, go for firm, dark green florets with tight buds. Avoid anything yellowing or limp. To keep it fresh, store uncut broccoli in the fridge, wrapped loosely in a paper towel or a breathable produce bag. Avoid sealing it too tight. Broccoli likes a little air. Alright, we know it's good for us, but how do we make broccoli something you look forward to eating? Here are a few ideas. Add roasted broccoli to your pasta or grain bowls. Make a cheesy broccoli casserole. Hello, comfort food. Chop it small and mix it into scrambled eggs or an omelet. Toss it with buffalo sauce and bake for spicy broccoli wings. Blend it into a creamy broccoli cheddar soup. You don't have to eat a mountain of plain broccoli every day. Just find a version that makes you happy. Your body will thank you. Broccoli might be small, but it's mighty. With its impressive nutrient profile, gut-boosting fiber, and protective compounds like sulforaphane, it's one of the smartest veggies you can put on your plate. And with the right prep, it's not just healthy, it's delicious.